Hey y'all, it's Britt and welcome back to the channel. So today I am sharing a cleaning video with you guys. It has been a while since I have shared a cleaning video, so I'm super duper excited. But y'all already know, if you've been here a little bit, you already know the deal. We're starting off with coffee, okay? Because that is the routine. So if you're new here, I will have the entire kitchen journey linked in the description box and in the cards, so you guys can catch up, see the tour. We did post a full kitchen tour, and then of course there's more to come. But this is the first cleaning video since the kitchen has been done, so let's get into it. Alright, so as you guys can see, you know, cleaning is a family affair, and I'm really blessed because Bear can really maintain a household, y'all. Like, your boy be cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, washing the baby, who's obviously, as you can see, running around and not so much a little baby anymore. But so yeah, so he is helping me, of course, just try to tackle as much as we can. But I'm, of course, starting off with clearing off the island. There are a few things in this kitchen that are, well, actually the entire kitchen is my favorite. But I plan to do a video of kind of like what our favorite things, like most favorite things are in the kitchen. Because y'all, having this big sink is the best thing ever. Like, seriously. Because like the way that you know, pots, pans, our crab pots, as you guys can see, I'm currently washing the fryer, like pieces that go inside of that, and it's just so much easier in this big old sink. So the farmhouse style sink has been a game changer for us. All right, so while I let these dishes sit here in this piping hot water for a few minutes, Bear had blew up the swimming pool on the patio. So I'm outside checking on little Bear and seeing what they are up to, because y'all, he is obsessed with this pool. And while I take my little break, of course I have to hop on Instagram, so here are a few stories. Happy Sunday! So y'all just ignore this face. But happy Sunday. We're just sitting here vibing and whatnot. Y'all, I am currently recording a whole cleaning video. It's been a minute, but there's a whole lot of cleaning that needs to get done today. So figured why not just, you know, turn on the camera. So there will be a cleaning video up on the channel this week, so I'm excited about that. But y'all know Papa's is at home. It's a Sunday, and guess what? You are living the life, dude. So Big Daddy inflated this pool that his grandma got him and put it on the patio with the fans, and Papa's is making the mist. So Daddy has fans and mist.
Grandma's calling right now.
Oh, she gonna cuss you out that you didn't tell her that y'all were in the pool. So once I came back in, I went ahead and finished the dishes in the sink, of course, after my little Instagram break. But I'm just going ahead and drying those and putting them up. And when we designed our kitchen, storage was a huge deal for us, and y'all, I am obsessed with the amount of storage that we were able to fit into our kitchen by just running it alongside that back wall. We did eliminate some windows and things, but y'all, it was totally worth it. I've really been focusing on organizing in the kitchen and really all over the house, but in the kitchen specifically now that we have it all completed. So I will definitely be sharing more organizing videos to really show you guys how we are utilizing the space in our kitchen. But I also just use this time to just refill empty bottles. As you guys can see, the island is finally cleared off, y'all, and I have my dream island. Now, what I did not suspect was the fact that my arm was going to be tired cleaning this thing. So be careful what you wish for. Oh, now I'm just moving over to the stove. So I am using these Dawn disinfectant wipes, y'all. Let me just say that these are game changers. There's a lot of game changers, obviously, but these are game changers for cleaning the stove. Like, because of course, you know, we cook a lot of bacon and we make steaks and, you know, all of the things where grease goes flying. And I love the fact that Dawn has these disinfectant wipes. So I'm gonna link them. I'll probably have them linked down below. Just check the description box. I ran into them at Target randomly because I actually went inside the store. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? And I came out with a bunch of stuff that I didn't need, including these Dawn wipes, which now I'm super excited about. But they make cleaning the eyes and the crates and all of that super easy. So yeah, anyways, enough about the Dawn wipes. I am loving this combination that we have going on with the stove and the oven separate. Just absolutely love it. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. A pop filler. It's a game changer. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning off the counters over here. And these counters are quartz countertops and the backsplash is marble. So they're super easy to clean and things like that. And that little desktop countertop vacuum that you all saw, yeah, that was one of those hashtag TikTok made me buy it. But it's also like worth it. I'll have it linked in my Amazon favorites in the description box, but it is super helpful to pick up like little crumbs and things like that, and I use it often. I was finishing up the kitchen. Bear was putting Little Bear down for a nap, and he was knocked out after that little swim session. So now it's the perfect time to clean the floors, and the floor cleaning is all Daddy Bear. Like I think these new floors just have, you know, a newfound pride in him to keep his floors nice and clean. Because your boy cleans these floors religiously, okay? So while Bear is cleaning the floors, I'm actually in Little Bear's playroom because, you know, you have to maximize your time when these toddlers go to sleep. It's a whole thing. So we are doing double duty, and you guys will see that in just a second. All right, so now we are in the playroom, and this is Little Bear's, you know, mini castle situation over here. Like, all of his stuff is in, well, let me not say all of it. Most of his stuff is in this room, and it has really transformed with him. So I am still obsessed with the playroom. It is one of the easiest rooms to clean because everything has a place to go, and storage has always been like A1 in Little Bear's room. So even though it gets really messy with all the toys and everything, which I don't mind mess at all, as long as when it's time to clean up, everything has somewhere to go and it's not just sitting around, I'm all for it. So we actually got this table that you guys see me cleaning from IKEA. It's an activity table, and it's super dope because it has storage on the inside. It's open at the bottom, so he has a bunch of toys up under there too, like the big trucks and stuff like that. And then we got this cabinet underneath the TV from Wayfair. I'll have a link down below. It's the perfect size. He has a ton of books in there. along with arts and crafts and more of his trucks and cars. And he just goes in there and knows exactly where everything is. And then when it's all time to put it away, it's all spick and span. So I'm still obsessed with his playroom. So the last space on the to-do list today was the living room, and really just the sofa. Not even like the living room, but the sofa. Because Little Bear has this thing where he brings there's some specific toys, they're all small, and he brings them in to the couch, and he just like scatters them everywhere. So there's cards, there's trucks, there's letters, all up in between the sofa cushions all the time. So I've already cleaned out most of it, but I just use this opportunity to take the Folex. If you guys don't have Folex, y'all need Folex, especially if you have pets or babies, kids, anything, or even just white furniture or white rugs like we do. I'll have it linked in the description box below. I'm taking that Folex to really just go through and spot clean the sofa and spot clean some of the pillows themselves, because, you know, hashtag toddler life, and somehow pizza rolls make their way into the living room. How? I don't know. But that Folex is super dope and make sure that everything stays nice and clean and it's back like brand new. So vacuumed, cleaned, we cleaned the floor, we cleaned the kitchen, we cleaned the playroom, we disinfected toys, and we played in the pool. Y'all, I'd say today was a success. So thanks for hanging out with us today. We so appreciate your time and joining us. Hope you guys have a beautiful day, night, weekend, whatever it is. And we will see y'all in the next one. Bye.